I'm here, Wrestlemania. Chili just dropped me off. Guys are calling me. Yo, I see you. Thank you, sir. Wrestlemania! Wrestlemania! So I must say, I really enjoy your anime vehicle. I like your dash.
The hentai mobile.
The hentai mobile.
Because, so when we were driving, this one lady like dead stared at him. I was like, oh, she saw the anime porn.
Can I help you? So we're setting up camp right here. The tailgate starts here in the hentai mobile. Tamoy, please give me a tour of your hentai mobile.
We'll start with my favorite sticker, verbal abuse, because I'm into that shit.
You know, I gotta put a warning for everyone. Like I said, this car can make loud, strange, and maybe cool noises. Please refrain from pointing out the negatives of the car. The driver is soft and doesn't want to be bullied. So enjoy the ride and always wear your seatbelt. It's right here.
Oh, that's nice. That's fucking nice.
Double cheeks on the both
Damn.
sides right here. Second warning sticker. You know, gotta rip the bananas.
That's a pretty veiny banana. I haven't seen one.
And my turn signal girls.
Oh, turn signal girls. Yo, I love it. Hentai club. Oh, here we got Muli got his championship.
Sure sound good.
Wedding. You might be like, what the fuck? Holy shit.
This thing's super legit.
Yeah, that is legit as fuck.
We were literally all super jealous.
I'm jealous as fuck.
That way
If you have to defend it, man. To the champion of Mandy's heart. That's Malik right there. Alright, finally get to use the grill. This mini ass Asian spaceship grill. We got steaks on deck. Boys are just hanging out. I'm gonna crack a beer. Here we have a delicious, perfectly medium rare steak that I made on this robot. One more time! One more time! One more time! Oh! Fucking love Wrestlemania. Fucking love this place. This guy just proposed. Wrestlemania. He did it! He did it!
Meanwhile.
We're here. We're coming in. It's time. It's time to go to Wrestlemania 35. Here it is, boys. MetLife Stadium. Wrestlemania. Did it, and we made it with the meat. 3 pounds of meat in MetLife Stadium. We did it, boys. We did it. Yes. Yes. Sack chaser. Sack chaser. We got Matt Stairs here. Feeling good. Feel that burn. All right, we're up. This is WrestleMania. We made it. We're in our seats. We are in the nosebleeds, but that's where everyone goes first. Nosebleeds, and eventually the main event WrestleMania.
To the greatest live event in entertainment. Universal champion carries a great deal.
Data over this entire industry.
It is for the Universal Championship. as he walked to that ring with over 80,000 screaming and shit that belongs on Monday night. Seth Rollins told
I was like, I don't fucking know how to use this.
John's a potato. John's a potato.
Don't you dare be sour and feel the power! All in the name of getting Kofi Kingston his twin. I need to caution him. Do not count. Familiar with the Wrestlemania stage, with the high pressure. Come on. Paradise! Kofi did it! 1, 2, 3! Kofi did it! Every hoop, every barricade, every hurdle, everything this man has gone through, Kofi, it was worth it. Obvious time for a change. Get a ball. Daniel Bryan called his. There is not a more. Celebrate with Daddy. He earned it tonight. Wait a minute, the present guy. It's a celebration. All the hardship, man. Is here. We're going old school.
Time to put some stank on.
F you. And the 5-knuckle shove. There's a throwback home. Much to the chagrin of Elias. Brings backwards from men. Taste of course, like I had to do for Rick. It's a little bittersweet, but this situation. McIntyre matchup. He is taunting. But you need to understand, Triple H is the. Come on, they were like family. And the Kingdom with the sledgehammer. Triple H with a power run. Vanquishes the ass. Kurt Angle. Is serenaded by the chants of "You Suck." Kurt Angle performs at his highest level when the pressure is highest. Comes end of day of Kurt Angle. He got him. WWE Hall of Famer.
Last 20 years, I have had the time of my life. This night, the way that I want to hear those two words that
Told me Did that man Kurt? Balor is kept the demon, and the demon has able to channel the persona, the character, things, something much, much more.
Something that Bobby
With him to Wrestlemania. And in him, what? He got it! Finn Balor, the demon just powerbombed, but the demon just did. Here's the cover. Balor, the demon, Finn Balor. Don't ask me. Go ask the demon, Cole. You're the journalist at the desk. WWE fans at MetLife Stadium.
And SmackDown for the Raw and SmackDown.
Won't give a damn on my reputation. Not me. Not afraid of any deviation.
Champion Ronda Rousey, she is here tonight not to talk.
Somebody doesn't want to just be dubbed Ric Flair's daughter. She sure is good at making a big entrance. Charlotte's made it.
Wrestlemania.
It is full force. Becky said today is the day.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the winner takes all. Becky Lynch, Charlotte Flair, Rowdy Ronda Rousey.
Call Corey triple threat rules. First woman to gain pinfall or submission. Three of the top superstars in all of WWE. An electric atmosphere here tonight. Becky Lynch. And Ronda goes right after Becky again. Rapid fire, lefts and rights, and going right after Charlotte Flair. Driving Charlotte back. Ronda Rousey the most. Look at this. Look at how driven the betting against her. Oh, and there it is. Piper's pit to ski. Drives Ronda into the post. Are no disqualifications. And Charlotte sending Rousey in. Former best friends came up together. Center of the ring. Not bode well. Both will look to exploit the past for a little insult to injury here on the main event. She takes out Charlotte. And now, perhaps the point. Ronda Rousey has dominated. Ronda Rousey up. The power of the queen is unmatched.
That is.
Rousey's got a double. And Becky right to Rousey. Drops her off the apron. A drop kick right to the spine. Ronda unable to protect herself. Actually, equation. Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair. The cover for the championship. Syndicate. Familiar opponent. New York Stadium. And you have to realize Becky Lynch going for a patented moonsault. Becky caught her. Oh, disorganized with a pair of knees to the feet. Oh, and a running knee catches Ronda in the face. On Ronda Rousey now, winner take all. And if you take emotion out of it and the sentiment in MMA and here in WWE, but the chops, the flare, and backhand, Ronda connecting right now. Wants the armbar in the worst way, but Charlotte flipped into the ring from behind. Right, just now. Think she finally is this. Becky face first. Goes Charlotte. Oh God. Bad. Headbutt by Guts, spunk, just straight fire. Becky Lynch, you're right, heart. Now hold on, Exploder! from the top rope. The titles. Kick out by air.
Big risk.
Oh, and a double crossbody. Look at a pinball. He's to neutralize both opponents simultaneously. Double armbar. Rousey and
That's what I'm planted through the mat.
Becky and Charlotte want to neutralize Ronda ASAP. And Becky. But finally, it's got her. Charlotte's got it. Ronda kicks out. And Becky caught her. Becky Lynch knows that too. You
Down.
Oh, straight kick, but Rousey rolls through.
Remember, ropes will not force a break here.
You can Ronda Rousey. I think the knee using the top turnbuckle. And
Oh my God!
that's gotta be it for the championship. Once again, but the power of Charlotte. Queen looking for the disarmer and face first.
Here comes the focus from Charlotte. She sees that wounded it.
I got no disqualification.
Oh my God.
Ronda trying to beg off.
Inserting herself into the. Oh no! Rousey! Rousey's got her.
Is Ronda gonna tap?
The Queen is about to take off.
The leg drop.
Here we go.
It's the main event of WrestleMania. It's not going to get any bigger. Lynch has created the buzz around the world. Never get an opportunity like this again.
Right hands to the midsection of Becky and dumping shot. Ronda says, I don't need a table.
Raining lefts and rights on the man.
Becky wrestled to the middle of the ring. Look, a double spear by Charlotte. And Rousey bounced off the table.
The Queen still too strong.
Spear by Charlotte. Winner take all at WrestleMania. Charlotte driven through the table. And here we go.
Pound for pound with Rousey.
Oh, Rousey
Needed on her
Piper's pit.
left leg.
Becky,
Oh my God.
shoulders down.
Worth the replay, but Ronda Rousey was
Tonight, the Raw and SmackDown
at WrestleMania after a career defining. Wait, no. Look at this. Watch very closely.
And SmackDown Women's Champion.
known as Wrestlemania.
WrestleMania is over. It was great. Everyone's here. We're exhausted. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. We head back. But great WrestleMania. Had a great time.